Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video is obviously going to be a different style of video if you can't tell since I'm in my bedroom. So Poshmark reached out to me again and asked if I would want to work on another video with them, and I decided to do kind of like a dresser declutter. If you see this dresser in the background, you can see how some of the drawers are still not fully shut. I've been meaning to go through that dresser for the longest time because I can't close so many of the drawers, and I wanted to be able to get rid of a bunch of things, either just declutter them if they need to be tossed or thrown away, or to add them to my Poshmark account. So when they reached out and asked me, I was like, yes, and let's do a clothes declutter. So this video is sponsored by Poshmark, so big thank you to them for working with me again. And I thought I could do this kind of style of video where I'm actually wearing the pieces of clothing that I will be adding to my Poshmark app. I saw Jackie Ina do something kind of similar to this the other day, and so I thought that was a fun idea. So that is what we are going to be doing. So if you are interested in seeing kind of like a decluttering of my closet slash dresser and some of the items that I'm going to be adding to my Poshmark account, why don't we go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so of course I will have my Poshmark closet linked down below. I'll have the Poshmark app linked down below. If you haven't seen my previous videos, Poshmark is just a free app where you can sell the items that you do not want any longer. I have a ton of clothes up on my Poshmark app, a ton of them. I just did a really big closet declutter not too long ago, and like I said, I'm excited to work on this dresser because it needs help. It needs a lot of help. So I thought it could be kind of funner to do it this way, actually seeing me try on the clothes instead of just me going through my dresser. So I did that this morning. I have no makeup on. It's still fairly early, but I thought it could be a lot more fun than just seeing me like pull stuff out of my dresser. So hopefully that makes sense. But first I'm going to focus on the bottoms that I'm wearing. So this top won't be included. It's just the top I was wearing. So first I'm going to go through all of the like leggings that I have. A lot of it is going to be leggings, workout leggings, and then I have some sports bras as well. But this is the first pair here, and this is from Victoria's Secret. I really like these leggings, and once I put them on, I was like, ooh, do I want to sell these? But I haven't worn them in such a long time, and I know that it's just time to get rid of them. I have a thing for leggings. This is what I wear the most. I work from home, so I love my leggings. But these are from Victoria's Secret. They're kind of like a grayish, like almost like a gray purple, and then they have this kind of see-through detailing that goes all the way down to the ankle, and it is on both. They're not high-waisted, and oh, there's Aries. I was wondering when she was gonna come in. They are not high-waisted, and I tend to lean more towards high-waisted leggings, so I think that's another reason why I don't reach for them a ton. Hello, girlfriend. But these are the first pair of leggings. I have another pair like these in another color that I will also be adding to my Poshmark, but they're really comfortable. I believe they're a size small. I'll have all of the details, of course, listed on the app as well, but this is the first pair of leggings. So the next pair is the same thing, except these are in kind of like a olive green type of color, and then the detailing is more on the side of the leg versus the other ones, which were more down the front of the leg, but you still have the whole side leg on both sides that has kind of that sheer panel with some designs in it. So again, it's the exact same pair from Victoria's Secret, not high-waisted or anything like that, but they go all the way down to the ankle. I feel like they're very comfortable. I used to wear them out quite a bit, but like I said, I kind of prefer high-waisted these days, so I just find myself not reaching for them a ton. But this is another pair from Victoria's Secret that will be going up on Poshmark. Next up, I have a pair of crop workout leggings. These are from Alo Yoga. If you are not familiar with Alo Yoga, they have a really nice quality workout wear, and I own quite a few items from them. So these are a pair of crop leggings. They're gray. They have this orange stripe on the side, and then also the pink down here, and the pink is a little bit more on the mesh side as well. And then it's the same thing on both sides. This isn't high-waisted either, and again, I just kind of prefer high-waisted even with my workout clothes, because with my leggings, I still wear them out because that's how I roll. So I would prefer something a little bit more high-waisted, but I've also just had these for a really long time, and I have a lot of other new leggings. Like I said, I mean, look, you can see that my dresser drawer won't close. It's so sad. So I just knew it was time to get rid of these. But again, these ones are from Alo Yoga. They are cropped. I did cut the tag off, but these are also a size small. Next up, I have another pair of crop leggings, and these ones are, man, as soon as I put them on, I was like, do I really want to get rid of these? But again, I know I have a bunch of new leggings. I need to say goodbye to some. But these are from Victoria's Secret, and they are high-waisted. You can see that they go up really high. So these are high-waisted leggings, and they are kind of like the ombre effect. They're a really bright pink up top, and then they fade to kind of like an orange right here, and then they fade to a lighter pink after the knees. So these are what these leggings look like. I really do enjoy these ones. I think that they're very comfortable. I like that they are high-waisted, but I just need to be making room for some of my newer items in my collection. So this pink ombre cropped pair from Victoria's Secret will also be going up on my Poshmark closet. The last pair of leggings that I have to show, these are from Adore Me. I really like the Adore Me athletic wear. I have quite a bit from them, but this is probably like one of my least favorite pair of leggings, just kind of how they look on me. I really like the floral detail on the side, and I love the kind of crisscross here, but it kind of ends in like an awkward spot. So like sometimes if I wear these out and I wear boots, like the boots either don't go high enough, or I don't know, it kind of looks a little strange to me. In the summer I can get away with them more, but then I also wear cropped leggings in the summer more. So I don't know, they just weren't my absolute favorite pair. They are high-waisted again, and I do find them to be really comfortable, and they feel really nice. They feel really nice and high quality. Like I said, I do have quite a bit from Adore Me. So I also believe a size small. And just for a reference, I am about 5'5", in case anyone is wondering about height. But these ones from Adore Me will also be going up on my closet. Alright, so that's it for the leggings. I'll have a few more bottoms that I'll put on Poshmark, but that's everything I'm going to show for the video. So I'm going to move on to sports bras. So, I mean, if this part's going to make you uncomfortable, you don't have to watch, but I do have quite a few sports bras, and I've gotten a lot more lately that I just need to get rid of some. This one is from Victoria's Secret. It's part of the VSX line. I really like this line, and I feel like these are really good quality sports bras. I have one in another color as well. It does have a zip right here. And then the back is a little bit hard to show, but it is a racer back. But again, if you do a lot of like cardio or running or things like that, like this sports bra is going to hold you in place, which I think is awesome. So I really do like this one. It has the nice thick straps, and it's kind of like a green color, again from the Victoria's Secret VSX line. I'll have the sizes listed on my Poshmark because I didn't check before I put this one on, but this is the first sports bra that I will be adding to the closet. So I have another one that's really similar to this one, just the back is a little bit different. It's still the racer back, but it has thinner straps at the top, and then these straps are a little bit different as well. But same concept here, and again, it really holds everything in, and it does have the zipper detail here as well. The size on this one is a 32D. So this is the next sports bra that I will be adding to my closet. Next up, I have another one from Victoria's Secret. If you can't tell, I purchased most of my workout wear from Victoria's Secret. This one is actually a glow-in-the-dark sports bra. You know, if your gym turns into a dance club, you will have a glow-in-the-dark sports bra. This is also from the VSX line, and again, it's these bras I just feel like are so helpful for when doing cardio and things like that, running, anything. It really does hold you in place. This one I did cut the tag off, but I'm gonna go ahead and assume it is a 32D. Like if you absolutely have to be for sure on the sizing, I will have to make a note that the tag is cut off, but I wear a 32D and I typically buy a 32D in sports bras. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that this one is probably a 32D as well. Really similar to the first sports bra that I showed. It is a racer back with a little hole cut out as well, but this one just fits really nice. So this one from VSX is the next sports bra that I'm saying goodbye to. Oh, she's so cute though. Except still very similar in style. This is a VSX bra from Victoria's Secret. I did check the size. It is a 32D. So it's this really cool kind of like a turquoise color. It has some purple on here as well, but there is this kind of netting over it, but you can see I did rip it here. So, I mean, it's kind of in the shape of a heart, so that's cute and stuff. Honestly, it doesn't bother me, and I ripped it almost immediately. I really don't even know what happened, but it ripped almost immediately when I got it, and I still continue to wear it. I do work out from home, so even if I am taking my shirt off when I work out, this doesn't bother me at all. So I continued to wear it, but again, really thick straps here. Does a really good job of holding everything in. It's the racer back as well, and then it does have a clasp, kind of like a regular bra clasp in the back also. So this next one from Victoria's Secret, the VSX, I just gotta make room for my other sports bras that I just got. But I really like this one as well. I think it's really cute, and I do like the colors, but it's time to say goodbye. The last item that I'm going to show for this video is this sports bra. It's also from Victoria's Secret. It says Happy Holidays. days on it. I know, too funny. This one is a little bit more on the regular side. It doesn't have any sort of like underwire or support or anything in there. So I just need something a little bit more in my sports bras. So this one just kind of does not work for me for the actual purpose of a sports bra. It's fine if I'm just like lounging around and whatever, but I definitely cannot wear this when working out. And even though I thought it was cute and funny, again, I'm not like going anywhere where people are reading my sports bra. So I figure I can go ahead and get this one out of my collection and make room for a few more. But if you don't mind something that's not very supportive, or you just want something like cute and funny, this one, Happy Holidays, is also from Victoria's Secret. After that, that's going to be the last item that I am sharing for this Poshmark declutter. I'm coming for the rest of you drawers though. I'm coming for you. Alright guys, so that's gonna be everything for this video. Change back into my regular clothes here. I hope that you guys like this style of video. I know it was different, but I'm always trying to come up with different ways to do videos. And like I said, when I saw Jackie Ina do it this way, I thought that was a good idea. And I thought maybe I could do mine a little more like vlog style. So I don't know, you guys can let me know what you think about it. But again, a thank you to Poshmark for working with me on this video. My closet link will be down below and all of that other information will be down there. I think it's a really cool place. I utilize it as a seller a ton. I have so much on my closet and it's really helpful for me, especially when it does come to decluttering. It's really nice to be able to do this, especially because in the wintertime, we don't do garage sales in Iowa. Does anybody else do garage sales where you live? We typically have to wait till spring, summer to do them. So in the wintertime, this is a really good option for me. That's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. A little bit different, but let me know what you think of it. And if you'd want to see more clothing declutters, if you like the style of video, please do just let me know. But as always, if you guys did enjoy this one or you found it helpful, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. I hope that you will also consider subscribing before you go, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!